Hey, hello guys, how are you? Hope you are fine. So, we are going to start a new programming series on Python, in which we learn what Python is, what is the basic coding concepts, and then we will further move to the more advanced logic of the Python. So to start with, we will start with what is a programming language, how to write code, what is the different type of PL, what is a data type, what is a variable, and so on. So let's begin. Let's start with the basic concept of programming language. So what is a programming language? Okay, so to begin with, we will just start with the definition of programming language. Okay, sorry, programming language. Okay, now programming language is a language, we can say it's a language which computer understand, or to be more specific, which a machine understand. Okay, so let me zoom in the font little bit, so this in this way that will be more easier for you to read this. Okay, so next we will go through how many types of PL. So there are types. I will be saying programming language to PL in this video just for reference. So types of PL, we are having basically three types of PL. First one is low level. Okay, then we have what we can say is middle level, and then we can say we have something with high level. Okay, so now what is a low level coding, low level programming language? So low level programming language is that is machine understandable. So it's written in the what we can say in binary coding or register coding, that machines directly understand. Machine directly understand. Okay, so what it means I will tell you later on. So later on in this video. So middle level, for now we can understand middle level language as the combination of low level plus the high level. Okay, and what is a high level? High level is human understandable code, a coding language that is human can understand. Suppose we use keywords like print, or we use keyword like if else, which is not a normal English language, which look like a normal English language. Okay, so just to give you a glance what is a low level and what is a middle level language, I have a snap that I want to show it to you guys. So that is something like, in my left hand side, this is assembly language, which contains many keywords, which is not so generic, and this is very hard to understand. Suppose it's written some model are downloaded, then we have move DSAX. So these DSAX are registered. Someone who doesn't know, MOV stand for move. So this code is bit difficult to understand for a general person, or the person who doesn't know the binary language so much, or the assembly level coding. Okay, then on my right hand side, this is the C coding. So you can see there are multiple keywords which is just simply English words: include, main, print, scan, sum, return. So this is called a high level coding, where we use English language or a human understanding language in our coding language. Okay, hope you got what I'm speaking. So to give you just glance of this video or glance of what a PL is, you will first start with some basics. So let's draw a hierarchy here. So we have PL. It's having 3 parts: low level, middle level, high level. And in low level we have machine level and assembly level. Okay, now what are the in this video we are not focusing on this low level and this middle level. Okay, we will proceed further with high level language, that is our HL. Okay, so what are the some examples of high level coding? Okay, so high level language are, if you take example, maybe Python, Java, C#, VB, or Visual Basic we can say. Okay, now we will proceed further and learn about data type and variable. So what is a data type? So data type is basically a type of data which we are going to compute. So when we do coding, we take certain type of data or we deal with certain types of data. Suppose if we say int consists of full form of int is integer. So integer, it consists of for full numbers, like whole numbers. We can say 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. Okay, then we have something called float or floating point number, in which we have decimal number is included. So we can say 1.0, 2.0 and so on. Then we have something called character or char. So character is basically a single letter. Any single letter is treated as character when we talk about data type. A, B, 4, 3, G, or @ dollar, anything, any single letter is a character. Okay, now when we talk about string is the combination of all the data type. You can put alphabets, you can put numbers, you can put symbols, everything is included in the string. Okay, now if you want a brief video about data type, let me know in the comment section. I will try to make a separate video for this. Now for variable, what is a variable? Okay, so variable is a memory name or the name of the memory, or we can say to be more specific, memory address name given as yes. What does it means? Okay, we will see this with a simple coding. What I will do, I will write a code to simply understand this, what does it means. Okay, so let's do one thing. Let's take any variable. Suppose z equal to we can initialize it with any set, suppose anything. Now I will just let me zoom it little bit. Okay, so what I have done, I have taken a variable z, I have initialized z with any value, this just for demo, and now I am printing the hex value of id of this variable. Don't worry about the coding part. We will take care in later videos. I will give you a brief demo of what is Visual Studio, how to work with it, and how to install Python, how to set the path. Everything will be covered. For now, for just the sake of understanding, I have written this code and I will try to run this code. Okay, so as you can see, a number appears here. So this number is the memory address. What does it means? When you take any number from user as input, suppose if you want to add two number, you have taken two numbers, or in this case I have taken one number, and I will store it in RAM to do the further operation on it. So in RAM it will assign with the address where the number will be stored. So this is that address, and this is the Z is the variable name which we have given for this address. So when we say Z, we simply means this memory address for this coding. Okay, so okay, at the end, here is the revision what we have learned so far. Let me know if you have any doubt for this, and I will happy to help you. Thank you. Bye bye. See you in the next video.